Just a casual stroll in the forest, Clifford. This is awesome, pine trees everywhere, and we're heading for a waterfall. Woo! Just gotta trust my driving, Clifford. Trust my driving. Vegetables. Really? You think that will go to Baguio?
Yes.
Wow, so they're actually going to bring those vegetables all the way to Baguio. That looks like lettuce, no? Or pechay?
Yeah,
Pechay. Yeah. Okay, we've parked in a little community here, but before I go anywhere I have to say something to the locals. Mayat e maazdom. That means mein hafen or good day in Kakanai. Sinabit, salamat, salamat. Mayat e maazdom. Mayat e maazdom. How's my pronunciation, okay? Mayat e maazdom.
Mayat ay masdom.
Mayat e maazdom.
Yes.
Yes. Making friends, learning a language.
They'll search for the explorer. Yeah.
Exploring for the waterfall.
The last time I came here, we passed by that side.
Interesting. This is Balili, but some people try and claim it as mountain province. That's how close we are to the boundary. That over there is definitely mountain province. But we're looking for a waterfall. I don't think it's a sprinkler over there. But once again, this is Kamote again. Kamote. We're having another kamote party. Makes you want to eat potatoes, man. Well, you can tell it's rainy season, or becoming rainy season, because the water's brown. It's been raining every afternoon. Waving goodbye to the shoes. Oh, it's slippery! Woo! Trust me, you don't want to fall over here. Oh, it's really slippery though. Oh man, you're gonna... Holy smokes! Woohoo! Whoa! You can feel the wind coming up! Right now I'm saying hello to Mountain Province from over here in Benguet. What a waterfall, this thing is huge. I guess we're going down. Oh yeah. Whoa, ninja moves. Everybody keeps making videos. I did not expect this in the Philippines. I did not expect this here when I was adventuring today in Mankayan. Ho ho! so just know your ability. This is actually very dry, not too bad. It's just hurts a bit in bare feet, but this will be worth it. I'm just hanging over the edge of this huge waterfall, massive. Well, this is called Inudey Falls. And I don't know what that means, but it might be a Kakanai word. It's incredible, it is ginormous.